Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to make corner shelf in a very different way. So this is very simple and everyone can try it in home. So all you need is glue gun together with the glue stick and scissor. So at last for wrapping you can use colored paper. Otherwise you can also use this wrapping paper. So it's up to you, and if you don't have glue gun then use Fevicol. And at last cardboard box or cardboard sheet. So come on, let's start the video. So the first thing is you need to cut this cardboard into pieces. So it's up to you whether you want to do 5 by 5 or 6 by 6 like that. So I prefer to do 5 by 5. So you can see in the video I have marked everything so that it will be easy for me to cut. It's up to you whether you want to do it or not. So come, let's cut this part also. If you have big scissor, it will be very easy. So this is 5 by 5 and it depends upon whether your cardboard sheet is thick or thin. So mine is thin, this is just a normal one. So I want to paste together two so that it will look thick. But if you are taking cardboard sheet from the shop, it will be quite hard. So one single one can work. So with same measurement, I am going to cut another one. So you can see here, I got the two. So now I'm going to paste glue gun here and I'm going to make it thick. So let's heat the glue gun. So now my glue gun is almost hot. So I'm going to stick it. You can use here. Just in the corner and in the middle if you do, this is too strong. So I'm going to stick it. See here, I have applied. So this is my strong. So now what I will do is I'm going to cut the color paper and I'm going to cover it because it will not look good. So I'm going to cover it. It's your choice whether you want the color paper or the wrapping paper. But I'm using color paper. You can see here, now I'm going to paste it. So I suggest you one thing. See, just in one side of the corner you paste it, and I suggest you to use glue gun because it will be very strong. So come, I'll show you where to do. So this is the corner. It's sharp, it has to be sharp. So since I'm doing it square, so I'll start pasting it here. So come. So see guys, I put glue here. So I'm going to stick this towards the wall. So see, I have put glue here also and back also because it needs to support here. So you can see here. So you can put whatever you want here. So another one I'll stick. So you can see this side I put glue. So I'm going to stick exactly this side. You can see here. So see this, I have put glue in both the sides so that I can stick it here exactly. So guys, this is how it looks. You can add as much as you can. See. So here we are going to decorate it. So guys, I'm going to decorate it now. So on the top I will put it there. See, and here this one. Wait. And see, this is very cute. We bought this in the exhibition, the Thirsty Crow. So we'll keep it here. So here we'll keep this. So it is looking very beautiful. So this is amazing. It's an eagle. So we are keeping the eagle. So this is menorah. So I'm going to keep, this is keychain, but I'm going to keep menorah side and then the eagle. So this is the overlook of the shelf corner. So guys, this is the final look of the shelf corner. So you can try this in home and decorate it very beautifully. So once you see here, we did with square shape. You can do with round or any other shape. So thank you so much for watching this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.